This is really nice thing. So the manjari plays one to indicate me. This is the most excellent service. This is an example of Varadasya. He said, that's what he says, I don't want to be a psychic, because psychics can never do this. Psychics, first of all, can never be there. Because, Yashoda said, Lita, what are you doing here? Yashoda, out. These manjaris, she doesn't even know their name. They just run around all over the place, They're bathing Krishna, they bathe Krishna. Manjaris are bathing Krishna in the morning. And Krishna is playing with the manjaris. They're trying to paint his face. And, they have some, they put some dots on his face and they lean down like that and he takes the cloth and wipes the dots off. And they hey, I just put some dots there. No, he didn't. He didn't put any dots there. Okay, let me do it. So he plays with them. And then Yashoda comes in. Isn't he dressed yet? Hurry up, Krishna. Hurry up, you girls, hurry up. Why are you taking so long? Hurry up. And they're innocent, but Krishna's detaining them just to play with them. And finally they get him done. And so then they run back to Radharani and say, he did this, oh, he did this, he did that. Oh, and what did you do? And I didn't this, that. So the manjaris, the Sakhis have to be there for Radharani. They're there to serve Radharani, basically. Although